I kind of got some of these edges smoothed up down here on the other side with the bucket. And this side I'm walking down, I did when we were working on the pond last with the soil conditioner, kind of straighten this up. But now I got some finishing on the bank up there to do. I'm going to show you this drain pipe that we put in. So here's our pipe that we're going to use when we want to suck water out of the pond. We got a mini excavator and dug down level here all the way up through the dam, and this is going to supply a gravity tank, tire water trough back down here. We got to get a trencher out here and finish digging the ditch, but right here's what we got so far. This is going to be where we can suction water out of here with a pump, a little trash pump, and then this is going to go off down in there for a tire tank, and then maybe back over in there. We may see if we can get one over there too, but for now I need to fill this all the way across, grade it so it's not so steep. Still gotta get rid of all that dirt over there, and that's how much water's in there now. Probably about 2 or 3 foot, maybe 4 foot in the center. And we're gonna be working on this side over here, getting it straightened up. So this side right here is kind of rough up on top from we were trying to finish with the dozer. Got a couple little craters and whatnot in here. Got some high spots off over in there. I'm gonna try to push a little of that topsoil back up over in here and clean this up. So we got that cleaned up a little better than it was. Need to bring some of that dirt over here. There's a little bit of a dip right in through here. This stuff's just so stinking dusty right now. It's hard to see what I'm doing. I need to bring some fill dirt in, blade it in right here, pack it down, and kind of see where it's low here. But I think I'm going to call that good for now. Maybe get some rain pretty soon, hopefully. This old ground here that we dug up, man, it's really hard. I'm having a hard time ripping through that. I can do it, but I gotta go real slow. But I need it a little softer to work on these banks. So I think I'm gonna call that good for now, and we'll come back down here another time and work on it. So right now I'm working on the front side of the old pond, which used to be the front side. Sloping this dam down a little bit to where it's not so steep. And I got that side dressed up. Now I'm working on this. I'm put a little bit of shell on top of it, just tracking it in right now. And get this side dressed up, and we'll go from there. I'm down here working on the pond again. We got a lot of rain the other day, and this thing was barely a quarter full. And we got a lot of runoff, I guess, from the neighbors, and it filled this pond all the way full. So here's the new pond. It's full of water. So we weren't prepared for it to fill up that fast. I still hadn't put this pipe in yet between the old pond, which is here, and the new pond. So when it got too full, it'd run out into this one, and it kind of spilled over the dam a little bit and kind of washed it. And I've been down here fixing this. We got our pipe put in, and I went ahead and I'm going to raise this about 1.5 to 2 foot across the dam right here. So I've been bucketing that dirt around. I got it all put across here. Now I'm going to level it back out, and we're going to go get some this pipe really needed to be a little bit longer, but that's all of it that we had. So I'm gonna go get a bunch of riprap rock and line all this with that rock, and it should be okay. And do the same thing on this end. But yeah, I got full all the way up to the where those calves are laying down, right at the crossing right there where I got that other culvert. So this is about as full as we want it to get, so it doesn't back on up any further, but I'm sure it will if it can't keep up with the 16-inch drain here. But hopefully it does. We had to cap off the little suction pipe where we had the white pipe going down in the pond, because it was just pouring water out of that, so we got it capped off. But yeah, this is it right here. So I was hoping to, when it dried out some, probably next month before the spring rains came, we were going to put a dock in right off this side, but I guess we'll have to wait on that now. So we never got the post put in, but oh well, at least the pond's full. So now we're going to get some fish and throw in here this spring. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video right here. We'll have some more work to do on this pond in the future on dressing it up a little bit more, so there'll be a part 3 to this eventually. So I guess I'll see you guys next time.